Okie dokie. Hello here, Internet and the rest of the world. We're with Walk Around Ralph again today. Today we're in beautiful downtown Midway, New Mexico, between Roswell and Dexter. Small village, not very big. I've got some old guy advice to give you about trains here somewhere in the video, so be sure to watch it and find out. Please like and subscribe our channel. And hit the notification button so that you'll get every video we do. It's a small community, somewhere between 600 and 800 people, mostly agriculture and farming. We'll stop by their local church and the railroad tracks. Got to stop by those railroad tracks, I can tell you. Give you that old guy advice from my experience as a firefighter. So we're going to do a couple of things here and get back in the same video. Gertrude's doing my camera duties today. Come here, girl. Good job. We got to do a 30-foot zoom out here just to give you an idea of what the rest of the land looks like around here. We're in beautiful downtown Midway, and I know there's a million Midways out there, but this one is ours. Come back here, Gertrude. Good job. Okie dokie, we're still in beautiful downtown Midway, New Mexico. We're here at the Midway Youth and Family Development Center. Also a really nice family church. Small community, but they have a nice big church. They get together down here and they have a cafe in there and stuff for the kids to do, a daycare center, and just all kinds of things going on. Whatever your level of faith is, if you come here, you're probably going to get it boosted a little bit. Church has been here for a long time. The little community is really, really nice. They have over behind me on this other side, there's a little rodeo arena and stuff like that. Always something to do around here. If not, you can trot down to Roswell or go up to Hagerman and Dexter. This is between Roswell and Dexter. We've done those already. Just didn't want Midway to feel left out. But anyway, here we are. Just Walk Around with Ralph. Be sure to like and subscribe this video and subscribe to the channel. That's a special deal we got going on here. All of our subscriptions are free. If you want to subscribe to us, we don't charge you a dime. We don't ask for a credit card. We just accept it. You can comment on our channel. Say hello. Let us know where you're from. Anyway, let's Walk Around with Ralph. Happy to meet y'all. Come on down and see us sometime. I got Gertrude doing my camera duties, and she's been doing a wonderful job in this little bit of wind even. Come here, Gertrude. Okie dokie. We're going to give you some idea what a small community can come together and do. This is the main church, the Learning Center, the Youth and Family Development Center. Midway's done a wonderful job. Congratulations to you, Midway, and keep up the faith. Come here, Gertrude. Okay, Gertrude's going to do a 30-foot zoom out here on the Learning Center. This just shows you what a small community can do. They can build a nice-sized facility and get the whole group come together and make something really special out of it. Good job, Midway. Okie dokie. We're still here in beautiful downtown Midway, just a little bitty bit south of it. This is where the train tracks are that I was telling you about. In my experience as a firefighter, I'm going to give you some old guy advice here. We had a run here one time where a young guy him and his belly dump got hit by a train, and it tore the belly dump up pretty good and took it down the track about a quarter of a mile, but the tractor stayed here. I got some advice. If you come up on a railroad track and that gate comes down, I know the gate means stop and our brain is geared to say that, but if there's a train coming, push the accelerator as far to the floor as you can get. There's not many guarantees in life, but I can guarantee you that gate will do less damage to whatever vehicle you're in and to your body than that train coming at you. And you got a better chance of survival hitting the gate than you do the train. Now, he was lucky because it actually hit his truck bed. He was in a dump. It tore the dump up and left the cab, so he survived. He had a few injuries. But there's nothing in front of you that will do more damage to you than a train. That's old guy advice from Walk Around with Ralph. Former firefighter, retired military. I've been on a bunch of train wrecks, but I've never been on the receiving end of one. I've always been on the repair end of it. So I got Gertrude doing my camera duties. Doing a good job, girl. Come here. Okie dokie. Gertrude's going to give us a 30-foot zoom out here of part of beautiful downtown Midway, New Mexico. Here at these train tracks where I just gave the old guy advice about. Remember that. These gates don't hurt you too bad. Come here, Gertrude.